Okay guys, so what we're going to do here is take a quick look at how to best use a calculator to input values, operations that are written in scientific notation. And I'm using a Texas Instrument TI-83 here. Almost all the TI-83 calculators are really similar. Even ones that are not graphing, some of the very same techniques will apply. One thing you might want to do is put the calculator in scientific mode, because what that'll do is it will force your calculator to put out answers in scientific notation, which in many cases that's going to be exactly what you want. So I go to the mode and I slide over here and go to scientific, and I can go second function quit, and now basically any answer my calculator gives will be in scientific notation, and all Texas Instruments calculators will have some way to put it into scientific notation mode like that. It's not absolutely necessary that you do that, but it can be handy. So then let's say I'm going to try to do this operation right here. Now let me just show you what not to do. Again, this is what you don't want to do, and this is the common mistake that some students make. They'll go 3.45 times 10 to the fifth divided by 1.9 times 10 exponent 6. And they get an answer, and they think everything is well and good. But the problem is that this is the incorrect answer, because according to order of operations, what this calculator is doing is it's going 3.45 times 10 to the negative fifth, that's fine, and then it's going divided by 1.9, and then it's taking that number and it's multiplying it times 10 to the sixth. That's not what you want to have happen. You need to be dividing this number times this whole term here. So there's basically two ways to do that. You can use parentheses. I can put parentheses around this top term divided by, and make sure I put those parentheses around the whole bottom term. But that's an awful lot of keystrokes. There's a faster way to do it, which is this EE button. EE stands for times 10 to the. So for instance, to put in this number, I go 3.45 second function EE 5. Now notice I did not, I said that 3 times, ladies and gentlemen. I did not put in the 10. I don't need to put in the 10 using the EE button. So exactly like that, divided by 1.9 times 10 to the 6th. So I'm going to go 1.9, second function EE 6, hit enter, and then I get an answer there, and my answer is in scientific notation. Make sure you don't leave off this part. The way that this is showing you the way that the calculator kind of represents scientific notation. Again, this is the times 10 to the part. So when I'm putting down my answer here, I should go 1.8. You should need two significant figures here because of the 1.9 times 10 to the negative 1. So that's my answer. Make sure you don't leave off that part or your answer is incorrect. So that's how I'd want to do that one. And that's basically it. Try the bottom one here just so we can see one more time exactly how to do it. If we want to use scientific notation, we're going to use the EE button. By the way, on Casio calculators and some other kind of calculators, there'll be a similar button, but it's called EXP, an exponent button, but its use is exactly the same. So if your calculator is somehow different than this one, let me know and we can put our heads together and figure out how to get it to work. So 9.21 times 10 to the 18th. Again, notice I'm not putting in the 10. Divided by. Oops, not multiply. Divided by. Let's see if we can go back and delete that. Okay. Divided by 4.2. EE. Now, of course, when we're doing the negative 3, we want to use that negative button right there, not the subtraction button. And we get 1.29, etc. So here, again, probably two significant figures. I'm going to round right there. I'm going to go 2.2, and I'm not going to forget the exponent part, e to the 21. And there you have it. Just that easy, folks. Thanks for watching, and good luck.